Guru is the representative of Brahma, Vishnu and Shiva. He creates, sustains knowledge and destroys the weeds of ignorance. I salute such a Guru. Our first Guru is our mother. She starts to teach from the word Amma. Our second Guru is our father. He teaches us to walk from the first foot to the life lessons. Our third Guru is our teacher, the real heroes. Who is a teacher? A teacher is not just someone who imparts academic knowledge. They are mentors, friends, and role models. They teach us valuable life lessons, moral values, and encourage us to dream big from the first day of the school to the last. Teachers are there to support us, challenge us, and encourage and celebrate our success. Actually, they are unsung heroes who shape our future and help us to become the best versions of ourselves. As we celebrate the Teachers' Day, let us take a moment to express our gratitude and to all the teachers who had made the difference in our lives. Let us thank them for their commitment, their patience, and their love for teaching. Everyone, say along with me as thank you teachers, we love you. After I count 3, okay? Ready? 3, 2, 1. Thank you teachers, we love you. Once again, thank you teachers, we love you. I can't hear you, please say loudly. Thank you teachers, we love you. Happy Teachers Day. Thank you. Sanita Patil, to Alliance.
Very good.